This video is about playing the built-in games and will show some important features that make the games more playable. You can add other games to the start screen, but this is part of another video, see the links below. The white dot is indicating a finger touching the display. The first two tiles will start the bare machines without any special programs. You can do a lot here, but there's another video about that. So let's go and take a look at the games. Bubble Escape is a very minimalistic game. You are a Bubble Prince character flying around in a dangerous dungeon. You have to collect keys to escape, but may not touch the walls or the enemies. If you haven't got any hardware joystick connected, you'll see the virtual control stick and fire button. Use them or your hardware joystick to accelerate and fly around. This game is not visual or audio fireworks, but quite entertaining and good for getting experienced with the virtual joystick. You see the collected keys on the top right and your remaining lives on the top left. Once you lost all your lives, press the fire button to restart. Formula 1 Simulator. Start selecting a racetrack by dragging a joystick in one of the 8 directions and pushing the fire button. You'll accelerate without doing anything and can steer by using the left and right directions of the joystick. Push the fire button to switch between first and second gear. Joystick down will make you brake. Oops, accidentally opened the menu. Crashes don't damage your car, but you lose time. Watch the time counter on the bottom left to see how much time is remaining. Monty on the Run. This is a typical and quite famous platformer of the era. You don't need to change anything on the start screen and simply can press the fire button, maybe after you've listened to the awesome title music for a while. Monty Mole can walk, jump and climb to find his way. Drag joystick left and right to walk, up and down to climb, and jump with the fire button. Once you solved a difficult situation, you probably don't want to solve it again and again. That's where save states come into play. Open the menu by tapping the hamburger and choose Save State. There are 6 slots to save the current state. Use one of them to save. You can overwrite and delete them later. If you get caught, simply return to the save states. Pac-Man. On the title screen, choose your level by dragging the joystick up and down and press fire to start. Let's start with the easiest level. Pac-Man is still Pac-Man, but in a 3D world he can jump. Oops, that was the wrong direction, should have gone somewhere else. To retry, tap the hamburger. Choose Time Machine and drag the slider back and forth to a good moment in time to go back. Okay, so you know about the built-in games and about the time machine and save states that will help you solving some difficulties. For more information, please watch the other videos. Thanks for watching.